Hi there my gorgeous people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jayma Corey. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel, and if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. In today's video I'm going to show you that kind of very simple and a makeup that you will do it or wear it every day. So let's jump into the video. We'll start with the eyebrows, and I'll just start setting in the loose powder. This one really helps, like if you have an oily skin, consider doing this so that your eyebrows to just remain in place until the time you'll be done with that makeup. I'm going to line my eyebrows, and I'm using a Davis number 3 eye pencil. Make sure your eye pencil is very sharp. After lining, I'm just going to remove the excess loose powder, by just brushing it off. Now I'm filling in, like when doing this, just fill in where you feel there is no hair. I don't know if you get me. This following the shape of your hair, like your eyebrow hair. Now I'm going to line my eyebrows, and usually when you're lining your eyebrows, like the down part, use a concealer, a lighter shade, like maybe a shade or 2 shades. When you're lining the upper part of your brows, use the exact foundation you are using on your face. I've already prepped my skin. You can go watch, like I have a detailed video on how to prep your face before makeup. So next I'm going to primer, and I'm using Rimmel Stay Matte primer. Next I'm going to color correct. You can skip this step if your face doesn't have any acne scars or any hyperpigmentation. So I have some acne scars that are fading away. I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm using LA Pro Matte foundation. I'm in the shade Caramel. I don't like using my foundation directly from the bottle because I learned when you use directly from the bottle, it makes your makeup to oxidize. So put it on is it behind your palm or on your hand or on any flat surface you're okay with. Like put it there before using it on the face. I've used only 2 pumps. So next I'm going to blend my foundation using this Real Technique makeup brush. So I'll just spray some setting spray on my brush and go blending in. Then after blending the foundation everywhere, you see I've not touched under my eyes and my nose zone. So with the product on my brush, I'll just go and blend on my nose without adding any new product. And that part of my eye, like I'm not blending under my eye zone, I'm just blending that area. Usually try to avoid putting too much product under your eye zone and on your nose, just to avoid creasing on that area. Most of the people do tend to crease on the nose area and under the eyes. I've still not put any product under my eyes, as you can see. Then with the same brush, I'll just go and press on my eyelids. I don't intend to use any eyeshadow today since it's a very simple look, so I'll just press in. Next I'm going to conceal under my eyes, and I'm using an LA Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige. When you're concealing under your eyes, use a concealer lighter or 2 shades lighter than your tone. And when you're concealing, don't go like just that extra. Use just a little concealer. I'll conceal on my forehead as well. Okay, usually I conceal on the bridge of my nose, but this is just a simple makeup, no need. Try to be fast when you are concealing under your eye, because these LA concealer tend to dry so fast. Next, I'm going to set in the areas I've concealed using my LA face powder, and I'm in the shade Soft Honey. It looks like that. I have a very oily face, so I'll go in and set my entire face in using the exact face powder I've used to conceal my under eyes. I'll go in with my loose powder again to set my under eye and my T-zone, like just under eye, forehead, and I'm using a banana, not a banana actually, it's a J-cut banana powder. I don't want the makeup or the loose powder to bake, so I'll just go in again and remove the excess. Next, I'm going to contour, and when you're contouring, use a shade darker or 2 shades darker than your normal tone. Next, I'm contouring my nose. With the same contour I'm using, I'll just go with it, and apply it on my eyes area. It makes it like your eyes look like, at least you had a lot of time doing it, but in reality, you did like nothing, it's just a contour. Next, I'm going to blend that harsh contour line. Actually, when contour just brings that warmth on your face. Next, I'm going to set all this in. The next, I'm fixing my falsies. Next, I'll apply my kajal on my waterline. I'm going to apply mascara on my under eye lashes. Next, I'm going to my lips, so I'm going to line my lips using a Davis number 3 eye pencil. And then I'm going in with a Pharmacy number 4 matte lipstick. Because today I feel like just being glossy, I'll go on top of my lipstick with my gloss. And this is it. a very simple, quick to fix kind of everyday makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about this look like. Would you try it? Thank you so much for watching, and again, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Bye bye, see you in my next one. Love you all.